Now that we learned how to install and even customize Fooocus, it's time to start working. In this section, we will learn about the main functions of Fooocus and what exactly you can do with that functions. And as usual, we will start on my screen to give you a little overview what we are about to learn. Good. What are the main functions in Fooocus? Basically, it's a text prompt, image prompt, upscale and variation, and in painting and out painting. And to give you a better idea what these functions actually do, I prepared a little overview. And in this overview, I tried to demonstrate or better illustrate how these functions work. When we start here with a text prompt, a text prompt is basically an image created out of a text. So we provide a prompt in the form of some words or phrases and we get an image. In this case, a house, and Stable Diffusion is creating a nice house. The image prompt though is providing another image and Stable Diffusion is creating a new image out of the provided image. In that case, that image would be called an image prompt, and it's a little bit a different image. So it's more or less an image which is similar to the one we provided, but a little bit different. Then we have upscale and variation, and as the word already says, it gives us the opportunity to upscale an image to make it in a higher resolution, or to upscale and also vary it a little bit so that it looks slightly different. And then last but not least, we have in painting and out painting, which is a very, very important function because it gives us the opportunity to change our images however we want them to be. For example, in painting would mean we mask a certain area in the image and then we can in paint, for example, a beautiful lady standing in the garden. Or out painting would mean we draw something out here of the actual image and our image is expanded and everything is blended in perfectly. So this gives us also the opportunity, for example, to change the aspect ratio of an image from square to vertical whatsoever. And to practice all that and to demonstrate you how this actually works, I prepared a little example sheet with exercises. And in the upcoming lections, we will go through each of these functions by using these little exercises I prepared. And you will find this sheet in the download section together with the example images I used within these exercises. So you can do exactly the same and you can collect your first own experience. Feel free to also change the prompts a little bit or to in-paint other things to make it your own personal practice. This is very important that you get an idea and a feeling for Stable Diffusion. That's why I wanted to include this exercise here. And with that being said, let's jump right in to the first exercise, to the text prompt.